Hello friends, today I will explain classification of terpenoids. Most of the natural terpenoids, hydrocarbons, have the molecular formula C5H8N. These terpenoids are then classified on the basis of number of carbon atom that they contain. Thus, following chart are very important to find out the classification of terpenoids. There are three columns. First, number of carbon atom. Second, molecular formula. And third is a class. The number of carbon atom is 10. Then the molecular formula of terpenoid is C10H16 and the class is monoterpenoids. Then the number of carbon atom is 15 and the molecular formula of terpenoids is C15H24 and the class is sesquiterpenoids. Then the number of carbon atom is 20. The molecular formula is H20 C20H32 and the class is diterpenoids. Then the number of carbon atom is 25. The molecular formula C25H40 and the class is cis-terpenoids. The number of carbon atom is 30. Then the molecular formula is C30H48. The class is triterpenoids. Then the number of carbon atom is 40. Then the molecular formula of terpenoid is C40H64 and the class is tetraterpenoids or carotenoids. Then number of carbon atom is more than 14. The molecular formula is C5H8 and N. N means number of C5 and H8. Then the class of these terpenoids is polyterpenoids and the natural rubber. The simpler mono and sesquiterpenoids are the main constituent of the essential oil because they contain the essence, that is the odor or fragrance of the plant. These are the volatile oil obtained from the sap and tissues of certain plants and trees. The essential oil have been used in perfumery for many years. The study of the composition of essential oils rank as one of the oldest area of organic chemical research. Then the di and triterpenoids, which are not steam volatile, are obtained from the plant and tree gum and resins. Then the tetraterpenoids from a group of compounds known as the carotenoids, and usually it is treated as a separate group. Then the natural rubber is the most important polyterpenoid and it is a good example for polyterpenoids. Each class of terpenoid is further classified into subgroup on the basis of number of ring present in the molecule. For example, monoterpenoids are classified as acyclic, monocyclic and bicyclic terpenoids. The terpenoids are a group of compound which is mainly occur in few terpenoids. Terpenes means originally named after turpentine. The volatile oil from pine tree are used in painting. Refers to only volatile C10 and S15 hydrocarbons that were isolated from various part of plant, from the wood in some cases. The more general name terpenoids is many times used. This is because the suffix ene signifies unsaturated hydrocarbons and then the name terpenes is not proper to include compounds such as alcohol, aldehyde, ketone, etc. Hence the term terpenoid is in the current use. Thank you.